So to work on the rear brakes and this Cherokee, we have to put the rear brakes in a brake service mode. So it tells you to press the start engine button, but you don't start the engine, just run. You want to just put it on run, but it's not running.
It's on run. No, it's on the run position.
It's on the run position, but don't start the motor. So you have to go into settings.
And scroll to the display.
Yep. And then hit brakes. There you go.
Brake service.
Brake service.
You like to?
Yes. System.
Hit yes.
Mint.
There you go. You can hear it kicking in.
So the brake pistons with the electric motor are retracting right now.
Yep. There it goes.
Retracting to reset, press brake pedal, and activate park brake.
Let's see again.
All right.
Shut it off.
Start a brake job.